So this video I'm going to show you how to get Roblox auto clicker, guys. If you want to automate grinds, or you're playing some tycoon games and you want to automate those things, you can do that easily. First things first, guys, I just want you to do this. Search for Roblox auto clicker on Google, and literally the first thing that pops up is this sourceforge.net auto clicker download. Okay, you want to open this up. Now, guys, this auto clicker has been used by me before, and multiple laptops, multiple PCs have used it before. Okay, throughout the years, it works perfectly fine. This is not something new. It's been malware tested by almost everybody. This is legit, guys. You don't even have to install this thing. I'll show you. Okay, this has been downloaded almost 900,000 times this week. Usually gets over 1 million downloads. Just click on download, guys, and it will start downloading shortly in about about 5 seconds. It'll start downloading. So right now you should see it come up here and say that it has started downloading, guys. So while we wait for that to pop up right here, okay, there we go. It already downloaded. But I already downloaded it before. So I'm just gonna open up the software I had downloaded. Now, guys, look, you will see that you don't even need to install this thing. You just open it up and it starts running, okay, guys? And I'm gonna also test this out and show you that it actually works, guys, okay? All right, guys, here we go. The auto clicker has now started. I'm gonna test it out on this website, clickspeedtest.com. Okay, guys, so here, right here, I'm going to start. So it's now set at every 100 milliseconds at the current location wherever my mouse is, and then I want it to repeat until it stopped. Okay. Well, I'll change this to 50 times. I only want it to do 50 times. All right. So the hotkey to start is F6 and to stop is F6. So I'm going to start here. Check this out, guys. It is now working, and now it says that says I am an octopus and I have clicked at the speed of 7.4 clicks per second. I have made 37 clicks, guys, in 5 seconds. That is absolutely insane, guys. So if this video helps, make sure you like, comment, and of course, if you want,